Hey guys, Happy New Year! I know it's actually, by the time you get this video, it's going to be midway through January, but I'm wishing everybody a well New Year. How is everybody's 2021 going? Wrong subject. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to be starting out with, I washed my hair not yesterday, but the day before. So it's freshly washed. Let's put it that way. It's freshly washed, and I did smaller twist than normal because I wanted it to come out a little bit. I'm trying to get these crinks, these these crinkly curls together. I noticed since my hair has gotten longer, it's harder for it to curl. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's what I noticed when I was a TWA. My hair used to really come out. I used to have some really cute TWA styles, but I haven't been able to do that since my hair's longer. So I went ahead, actually this fell out because I had this in a Bantu knot because I want to make bangs in the front. So I want this part to be more curly, kind of curly coming to the front, and then I'm just going to do a double puff. And I used gel when I was twisting, so I used TGIN, the moisturizing gel. So hopefully, and I didn't really put much. Oh yeah, I did put jojoba oil, and my leave-in was TGIN. So, and I also use coconut, the coconut money by Design Essentials, which is that's always my staple as far as moisturizing, because I noticed when I put that in at the beginning of my wash day, it will keep my hair moisturized for the whole week. So I just brought this just in case, but I don't think I'll need it because I can just feel, it feels nice. It doesn't feel dry. It feels, I don't know, it feels kind of silky. And of course, I have a spider knot. It's a baby, just a baby one. Okay, so I'm just going to take these twists out. I have a new setup. My camera, my digital camera, is not on a tripod because my tripod is on vacation. I need to get a new one. So I'm using that cell phone stand, which really works really well for holding my digital camera or using it as a tripod. So I'm not gonna take out all of them. Like I was taking out some of them, but I don't want them to get too frizzy, so I'm just gonna untwist them first to see what I'm working with. I don't know about you, but it just feels like the time is going extremely fast. As soon as I wake up, it seems like it's time to go back to bed. This is coming out really cute. I really did not put any effort. I was actually watching videos on my laptop when I was twisting my hair, so I wasn't even really paying attention to what I was doing when I did this. I was actually sectioning by feel. of how it felt. So I didn't even know, like, as far as the size of the twist, because I was mostly not really focused on doing my hair. I was mostly just spending time watching videos, and I wasn't really paying attention to what I was doing. But I did know which style I wanted to try, and that's the reason why I did part it this way. So I anticipated making a video, but I wasn't even sure if I was going to do video. But since I love y'all so much, because technically I did not feel like doing one today, but it's an effort, so you got to be consistent. That's one thing I've learned with whatever you're doing, especially when you're planning, making preparations for the new year. You got to always make sure that you're being consistent, because you won't see the results you want by the end of the year. So let me see here. I like the little kinks, the little kinky curlies. I'll take this out last. I know I want to put it up, because you know how my back do. Instead of doing a double, I think I may just do one big puff pushed up. I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, I was gonna do I can still do a double. I was concerned about having a part, but I can do one of those seamless parts possibly, and just do a double. That's what I'll do. I'll do a double. You're not gonna see the part because I'm gonna push it up. I'm going to push it up so you won't even see that part. I am so into low maintenance styles and something that's real simple but cute. I am not into fussing with my hair. We got too much going on. I'm just trying to look human. Got so much other stuff to focus on. So it's kind of like a fro hawk, but for some reason it's not very full. But you know what? It's gonna fill out in the next couple of days, because since it's still curly, when I sleep on it in the next morning, it will be a little bit fuller on top. But that's okay if it's like, you know, not giving those puff vibes like I want it. And then I'm just going to take this down. Hopefully this curl in the front will come, because that's going to really determine my style. Because you can't avoid this front bang. You can't avoid it. So let me see how. I had double twisted. My twisting, I had flat twisted it, but sometimes I notice when I flat twist, I wind up knotting my hair up. I may use some coconut oil because I don't want to keep snipping my ends like that. Coconut oil helps to take that those knots out. And my ends are raggedy, y'all. My ends are raggedy. Look at that. What am I supposed to do, y'all? I'm just gonna snip this. I'm thinking about, I may have to trim my ends. I'm just gonna cut this part off. They were too raggedy looking. I've never done this, y'all. I usually do not attempt to do this, y'all. It needs to be done. Not sure, y'all. I don't really like bangs in my face, but I wanted something different, a different look for today. I'm playing in the mirror, so I can swing it to the side so it won't be in my face. And that's going to be the look for today. It'd be cute to have a little curl, some tendrils coming hanging down, but I didn't think about that before I put it up. You know, some little crinkly curls on the sides, but this is it, y'all. So just something a little cutesy. So just something a little cute for the start of the new year, for stepping into a new level, new dimensions, shifts and changes. And I hope y'all are being safe and doing whatever you can do to hold on to your peace. So on that note, thank you for watching. And one more thing. I do have a new uploaded blog post. So that I'm actually in the midst of editing and uploading that onto the blog. So by the time this video is posted, it will be up. So go over to my website at naturalrawessence.com and check it out. And please support, comment, like, share, do all that good stuff. You know what to do on YouTube. And we will chat later. Bye.